This is our 2013, our Forest River Stealth. It's the model 2550. It's got the real nice big slide out. Slides on gear track system, which is really nice for longevity and hold up really well. This is our last trailer for this eBay auction. We are selling off. It's brand spanking new. It's got an outside shower. Comes with a multi-year warranty. Your holding and waste. We had these for sale locally this summer for $23,999. We are doing a no reserve auction. Pass-through storage right in the front. This is off. Your controls. These trailers are really built well, really thick sidewalls. They do a really good job of manufacturing these. I mean, this is the high-end line of Forest River. Nice big slide out. It's got a jackknife bed, which will turn into a bed. Lots of counter space. Overhead. Slide out controls. This is a swivel TV, so you can actually put a flat screen TV in the front or swivel it around. You can watch TV in the master bedroom. Right there. The TV is not included on the sale. It's something you're going to have to pick up yourself. You got a door both sides. Lots of storage underneath the mattress. As you can tell, these are really nice units. AC. They're not cheaply built by all means. Triple bunk. Triple bunk. Nice refrigerator. Really nice, big sized U-shaped dinette. It also turns into a sleeper. Anyways, you've had it. This is a 2013 Forest River Stealth 2550. I believe the weight on this trailer, let's go see. Looks like it is dry weight's 5,700 pounds. See if I can focus. Comes with a 7-gallon propane tank, standard. You'll need to pick up batteries. Anyways, it's our last one left. We sold these for $23,999. We're letting it go as a no reserve auction. Nothing wrong with it. It's brand spanking new. Forest River Stealth.